To update your GoPro camera, just make sure it is turned on and reach the GoPro Quick app on your phone. Then reach the GoPro feature right over here, and if there's an update available, you will see this install update option just right here. So select it. You will see what the new update does and hit the update button. Accept and continue, and wait for it. It may take a while. Oh. Twain.
And from here I will just fast forward because it takes a couple of minutes.
If your camera have rebooted, just like that, and the app is still stuck into this mode, you can quit this app and reopen again, and everything should be fine from there. There we go.